How to fix iPhone screen won't rotate. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix iPhone screen won't rotate. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone screen does not rotate whenever you tilt it, check if you have actually enabled the auto rotate feature on your iPhone. To check, slide down from the right side of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Make sure that the portrait orientation lock button is disabled. To test if it works, open any app that supports landscape mode and tilt your phone horizontally. The screen should hopefully rotate as expected. Now, if it still does not rotate, it might be because some applications' user interfaces does not support landscape mode. But since most application keeps updating their features, go to your App Store and tap on your profile icon and scroll down on the list of your installed apps and see if any app requires any update. The app will say update instead of open if it requires any update. It is also important for your device to be updated. So to ensure the device software update, launch the settings application and tap on general and then on software update. See if you have any update there, and if you do, tap on the download and install button and update your device further. If it is still not fixed, give your device a restart, since restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your iPhone. To restart in Settings application itself, tap on General and scroll down to the bottom. You will see the option for shutdown. Tap on that and slide to Power Off Now. Wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before restarting your device again, and your problem should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.